Hello, and thanks for tuning in. If you're new to the channel, please hit the subscribe button. If you're returning, thanks. Really appreciate it. Today we're going to change the valve cover gasket on a D-Series Honda motor. This will apply to basically all D-Series from, 88 to 99, maybe 2000. D15, D16, 1.5, 1.6 liters. The very first thing we want to do is remove the 4 spark plugs there in the back. Let's get those pulled out. Okay, once you have your spark plugs removed, just lay them out over to the side. Then remove the breather tube that connects into the valve cover gasket. Yours will probably be black if you don't have an aftermarket intake system. So just pop that thing out. Alright, after you remove which side is easier for you, I pulled mine off the intake side. Whether the valve cover or the intake side doesn't matter. Then you're going to remove the 4 10mm cap nuts that go around the valve cover. Let's get all those off. Okay, once you have the 4 10mm nuts removed, just pull up on the valve cover and it'll come off. If you have to, you can pry in some small areas around the lip just to get it off. Okay, once you have the valve cover off, you can just flip it over onto the intake manifold, remove the gaskets, and replace them. So it's very easy. Just pop those out with a flathead screwdriver and throw this gasket away. Make sure you clean everything up. Okay, we have the valve cover area cleaned off. If you see in the corners of each of the areas where it turns into a little U shape, upside down U shape, put some RTV in the corners and run it up about a quarter inch to a half inch on all 4 sides. Put the new valve cover gasket in and the spark plug tube wells and set it back down. Alright, at this point you just set the valve cover on, put the new, grommets up top, and finger tighten the little castle nuts just until a little bit of RTV squeezes out, and leave it for about 15-20 minutes to dry. The object is not to squeeze all the RTV out, but to make a cushion there. Let it harden over and then screw it down. You can go ahead and start putting the spark plug tubes back in and all the other accessories. Okay, once you get everything put back in, spark plugs all pushed down and all the wire retainers put in, and you waited the 15-20 minutes, you can go ahead and tighten the 4 castle bolts on the valve cover down to the specified torque, and you're complete. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.